and this is phase part 1. Some people might remember phase from physics and mathematics. We won't get too far into that angle, no pun intended, but because sound deals with periodic waveforms, phase is a very familiar concept to synthesists, sound designers, and audio engineers. A very basic definition of phase as it relates to waveforms is that it describes a certain point in a single cycle of a periodic waveform. The unit used in that description can be expressed a few different ways, but in sound we typically gravitate towards degrees, in a range of 0 degrees to 360 degrees, though you may see it expressed as radians in the range of 0 to 2 pi. Here's a quick way to think about how it works. Say we had a sine wave with a frequency of 0.1 Hz. It would take 10 seconds for it to complete one cycle. Now imagine you had a 10-second analog timer. If you started them at the same time, you could follow the clock hand's angle to describe a point in the waveform. At 0 seconds, you would read 0 degrees. At 2.5 seconds, you'd read 90 degrees. 5 seconds, 180 degrees. 7.5 seconds, 270 degrees. We'll talk about how we can interpret this information in part 2.